Hi, I'm Dr. Sherry Carlson with Synergy Chiropractic and Wellness Clinic in Sartell. Today we are going to be demonstrating a lumbar side posture adjustment, sometimes known as a lumbar roll. If you experience low back pain from sitting at your desk, driving in your car for long periods, this could be just what you need. So, as I said, I'm going to be demonstrating. So, I'm bring up her leg like this, put my knee over hers, roll her towards me like this. And there we have it. If you have any questions, give us a call, 320-257-8266. Thanks and have a great day.